Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up your first ad. I know everyone's been looking at the brand scaling videos popping off on your feed. For those of you who have been wanting to know how to set up your ad account and start your first ad campaign, I'm about to show you how to do that right here. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, obviously you want to have a Facebook account. By having your Facebook account, you go and make a Facebook page for your brand. Once that's made and you have your Instagram page as well, you connect the two together and you should be ready to start your ad account. Once you start your ad account, you go into your Meta Business Suite. Once you press home and it takes you to your main page, you go here to Ads Manager. You just press Account Overview, and here it will just basically give you an overview of everything, which you probably shouldn't have too much. And then this is where everything starts. So basically, to create your first ad, you want to put here create, and then you don't change this. You keep this at auction. If you're doing e-commerce, you want to keep this at sales. So you press sales, you go ahead and put continue. So now you're here. This is your campaign setup. Your first campaign, just put it here. Campaign 1. Boom. You name your campaign. Your objective, sales, buying type, what we just put earlier. You want to keep this off. Then you go here for budget. You can either do a campaign budget, which is basically you have 3 sections in this ad account, which is the campaign, the ad set, and then the sales ad. Which campaign budget just means that your money is going to be distributed in the campaign. So that means that the money that you set for the campaign, it's gonna distribute it within the ad sets and the ads. So basically, like there's 3 parts. If you put the money on top, it'll evenly distribute it. It'll distribute it to the best ads in the lower sections, basically. I don't know if that makes sense. If you do ad set budget, that just means your money will be spent in the ad set level. So it won't be like automatically distributed to the ads that are doing the best. That the ad set budget means that you're putting money directly into that ad set, which is into that group. So you could do like a daily spend on that. But for this one, we're just gonna keep it simple. Do the campaign budget. Yeah, so you just your daily budget, boom. Or you could do a lifetime budget. You could honestly even do $5. You could do $10. You could do $100,000. When you first start though, it is gonna send your card. It's gonna send it like $2 transactions. So if you're spending $10 daily, your maximum daily spend is probably gonna be super low. So if you're spending $10 a day, you're gonna get $2 transactions, like a lot of $2 transactions, because Facebook is super strict on AI. So it just wants to make sure it can trust you and that you are not AI, and they can actually take money from your bank account with no problems. So you could just call your bank and just be like, hey, don't block these transactions, like I'm the one spending them. So you can just get away with that. And then you go down, audience. You could set up your audiences later. Special ad categories, you don't even want to mess with these because these are just like the special stuff basically. Then you put next. Then you just name your ad set level. So this is basically gonna be like, I just like to think of them as group, because you can make group 1, group 2, and each group has different ads in them, like the different variations that you made of your ads. So yeah, so we're just gonna keep, for the conversion location, we're gonna keep it website, because we want everyone to just go to the website. Maximize number of conversions. Your data set, this is very important that you get this right. Just look this up on YouTube, data set or Pixel, how to set it up. And if you can't find one, just comment down below and I will make a video on how to set that up. But make sure you have that, just set that up correctly. You want to keep this the same. And then budget and scheduling, we already did the budget on the campaign level. So now we just do the scheduling. So you want to start at June. We'll just do it here, June 25th, and then you just want to start, so we'll do June 26th basically tomorrow, and then you just want to start this at 12 a.m. so you get a full day. So you just start it literally at the top of the day. For this, you want to do show more controls. you want to do what I just did, so that way you can keep this setup, which this is a really broad audience. This is just kind of giving Meta the freedom to like let it do its thing and find your audience, find who is interested in your product. So you just want to go back to the original. It's gonna say like it's gonna recommend you stuff. You've never ran ads before, so why is it gonna recommend you something if it itself does not even know who the audience is? You know what I mean? So just leave it at the broadest you can. When you get down to placements, this depends on your product, but you can just like go to platform and you can like just choose to like not show your ads in these platforms. So you can like only show it on Instagram if you want, you know what I mean? Most of the time, if you're like doing e-commerce, you probably just want to run it on Instagram, honestly. And then you just put next. When you get here, this is where you actually upload your ad. The ad you made to convert into sales. You want to keep this off because you're not doing a partnership ad, and then you just make sure you have the right Facebook page and Instagram account on there. Ad setup, you want to manually upload your ad, and then you just go to here to format, single image or video, just upload your single image. You could do also a carousel, which that one really works too. Which is just a couple of pictures and they could just like swipe on the pictures. But other than that, single image or video. And then you just want to click this off right here. Destination, again, just put your website URL here, the link, and then you want to take this off. You want to put browser add-ons just to none because you don't want people calling you. And then this is where you just upload your ad. This is where you upload your video or your image. Once you have it uploaded, you just go down. Make sure website events is clicked on. That means that it's tracking the activity happening on your website. So you want that on, and you want the right pixel to be selected on there or data set. And once you have that, you're good to go, man. You're ready to publish your first ad and start killing and start converting those ads into sales. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you guys need any help with anything else, and I will see you in my next video.